this? What is? BMW, what?
Beamer Nation, what?
Beaner? Beaner Nation?
No, Beamer.
Oh!
Yeah, it's the Beamer Nation. Hold on. Actually, matter of fact, y'all can appreciate. Hello. I got the new steering wheel cover. Live.
Oh my God.
I'm a BMW.
He just did it, guys.
I did not use a blinker.
He used a blinker.
I swear I did not.
What?
I swear.
You're not even a Beamer driver. Let's get out of here.
No.
First pull.
Hold on. Ready, boys?
Sport mode.
We go. Alright, ready?
Oh, sport. There we go. Oh, okay. Woo.
Turbo action, man. Hey, that boy Des. In that Beamer. Oh, he doesn't even know how to get it in. Oh my God. Oh, is she going? What are they? You like that?
Yeah.
Des, like, I guess
Hey guys,
it's not.
look.
The door! Hey, no. Oh, no. Oh!
Right in front of another Beamer.
He just disrespected my car. I am a BMW driver. I do not use blinkers whatsoever. That has not came into my thought. He just uses it again. What a freaking guy.
Alright guys, we're actually gonna go to a car meet. That was just us messing around because we have a lot of time to kill right now. It is 8:30. Gotta be at the meet at 9-ish, 9:30, so we'll be there fine. And I am bringing Justin with me. So without further ado, I'll meet y'all back at the meet. It smells pretty loud.
Oh, it does smell.
It smells a little loud there. We did ride at the meet a little early, but it's not too shabby. SRT has arrived.
Kitty's here.
Hello, kitty.
The cats are here.
And we got this rainbow monster over here.
That's Lexi warned into any
Yep.
viewers.
He got me beat though. Not gonna lie, he got me beat. With my
Hey,
lights.
only by a smudge though.
Only by, yeah, just a little smidge.
Just a little bit.
Yeah. She's doing what she can do, guys. All right. Oh, that's some pops already. Justin, this two popped backing up. He popped going in reverse.
Going in reverse. My car doesn't pop when I even going forward.
Think the meet's starting, Justin.
I think it is too.
Starting a little bit.
We already have the first acquire of a GT.
Oh yeah.
So we might die, we might not. If this video doesn't go up.
Yeah, if this video doesn't go up, guys, we got hit.
We're dead.
Hey, Justin's over here.
Low, all right. Oh, he's ripping it. Oh, we got the tag. Hey, this is not the last one. This was the one that's popping. Don't touch that. You're gonna burn your finger. Do not touch that. Oh, okay. I don't like Mustangs, but this is clean, to be honest. I'm not much of a Mustang guy, but that's clean.
That's a 5.0.
No way. How'd you know? The badge? Yeah.
How do you feel about there being a kitty here?
Nice.
Boys and girls, there's another one. Oh no. Gotta hide from them, Jones. Kinda am disappointed because I'm not gonna see a BMW tonight.
You will. You'll see one.
I will. Later, but not at the meet. I want to see one spit some flames, you know?
Yeah, I don't know about that.
BMWs do spit flames.
I don't know
Trust.
about in Houston meet. I don't know.
In the Houston area, we do spit flames. Trust. I don't see any Lexuses spitting flames either. Beamer. It's the Beamer. Woo. M3. Oh, we got another crowd killer. Oh, them taillights, boys. We are trying to find one of the Beamers parked right now. I don't know.
Justin thinks every Mustang is a GT.
In my experience, They're all GTs.
Oh,
so
we got. Hey, wait. We got a drop van. We got the drop van. There you go.
Alright, guys. They gave me the camera because I don't know why. I'm kind of confused what I should be doing here, but we're leaving this meet to go to another one. We think that
We're going to the Best Buy one, guys.
Best Buy one because he works at Best Buy, so we'll get a discount. Guys.
Rip. And a clean Z, clean 370. Yeah, that's sharp. That's sharp. Woof. I like the Mitsubishi area. That's pretty clean. Oh, okay. Yeah, that was pretty nice. Oh, that is low. That is real low. Oh! Oh! Shots fired! Shots! Oh! Woo! Oh! Yeah! Woo! Oh, I got the truck feeling it. I think Justin saw his first flame, right?
First flame.
First flame, there you go. That's tight. Woo. Oh. Oh, perfect parking. We're like in the safest area. Like,
We are safe.
we are really safe. We're in between like two poles on this side, and then like this big old barrier right here, which I believe is actually nailed. Yeah, it is. I think it's nailed to the ground. So we should be safe, hopefully.
They're like goat boys.
I'm really scared he's gonna take one wrong turn and hit me. Tear it up, Mustang. Yeah. No, but like actually try to tear it up. Like, come on. Stop playing around. Uh-oh, the Miata don't play around.
Oh, he has the flag now.
He has the flag on. Hey, the truck.
Is that a Nissan truck?
Show him what's up. I don't know what to record. Which one do I record? Okay. Right in front row seats. Massive clouds, hey. He's gonna end up flipping it for sure. Justin, so what did I just do? Like a minute ago, I tripped on that, guys. It almost killed me. Almost killed me. What did Olaf say or Olaf say? I've been impaled. I've almost been impaled, guys.
But I think it's lying.
No, you did it. I said, dude.
Oh my god.
No, I actually hit it. I did hit it.
Everybody.
No. Uh-oh. Someone's pulling in. Oh, no. Whip it. That thing is too damn loud. Oh my god.
Got that SUV doing it again.
SUV is about to flip over. Oh, you almost hit him. Alright, so we're leaving the meet now. What do you think?
We were over here for 4 hours. I seen about 4 BMWs, but I saw my first flame. It was fun.
Some donuts. Saw some donuts.
We saw literally a car, well, a go-kart made into a car.
Yep.
Doing donuts.
And the cops didn't shut it down, so it's always a good thing.
Maybe that means it wasn't good enough.
Maybe we'll just have to make it better. I'm not making it better, I'm just recording. Stay on the safe side. But yeah guys, we are heading out. I will catch y'all in the next vlog. Oh, I forgot to say it.
Keep it sexy.
You're my dream, and I just want it. Can't get to myself, can't get to myself.